Hey everybody, welcome to Cash Mojo. Today we're going to show you 10 great ways you can make money online. Make sure to watch until number 1 because this one is one of the best and most profitable ways to make money online. Be sure to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell icon, and let's get started. Making money online has become a popular way to earn extra income, and it has a number of advantages. First of all, you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. This means that you can choose to work from home or even from a coffee shop or a library if you prefer. Secondly, there is a wide range of opportunities available, so you can find something that suits your skills and interests. For example, you can start a blog, create an online course, or even work as a virtual assistant. Finally, making money online often allows you to be your own boss and set your own hours, which can be very liberating. So if you're looking for a flexible and convenient way to earn money online, we're going to show you 10 great ways you can make money online. Number 10, provide consulting services online. More and more businesses are providing consulting services online, and there are a number of reasons for this trend. Perhaps the most obvious benefit is that it can save time and money for both the client and the consultant. Online consultations can be conducted from anywhere in the world, which means that businesses can work with consultants who are based in different time zones or even different countries. In addition, online consulting services can be delivered more quickly than traditional face-to-face consultations, and they can be scheduled to fit around the client's other commitments. Of course, there are some challenges to providing consulting services online, but with a little creativity and planning, these can be overcome. For example, businesses need to make sure that their website is easy to use and navigate, and that their consultants are available to answer any questions that clients may have. With the right approach, online consulting services can be an extremely valuable resource for businesses of all sizes. Number 9, become a Twitch streamer. So you want to be a Twitch streamer? Well, you've come to the right place. There's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, but there are a few things that all successful streamers have in common. First and foremost, you need to be passionate about your content. Whether you're playing the latest MMO or just chatting with friends, your enthusiasm will be contagious and keep viewers coming back for more. Second, you need to be interactive with your audience. Chatting with viewers, taking requests, and running giveaways are all great ways to build a community around your channel. Finally, you need to be consistent, whether you're streaming every day or just a few times a week. Make sure your viewers know when they can expect new content from you. But perhaps most importantly, you need to be able to build and maintain a loyal following. The good news is that there are plenty of resources available to help aspiring streamers get started. There are also numerous ways to monetize your channel, so you can start earning money from your passion. With these tips in mind, there's no reason you can't become a successful Twitch streamer. Number 8, sell your old clothes. If you're like most people, your wardrobe is full of clothes that you never wear. Whether it's that dress that's been sitting in the back of your closet for years, or those shoes that are just too uncomfortable to walk in, we all have pieces that we no longer need. Instead of letting these clothes take up space in your home, why not sell them? There are a number of ways to do this, and you can even make some money in the process. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to sell your old clothes, consider using an online consignment or resale site. These sites allow you to list your items for sale, and they typically take a percentage of the selling price. This can be a great option if you don't want to deal with the hassle of shipping your items or meeting with buyers in person. Another option is to hold a garage sale or an online auction. This can be a bit more work, but it's also a great way to get rid of a lot of unwanted clothing at once. And if you price your items carefully, you can actually make some money in the process. So next time you're feeling cluttered, consider selling your old stuff. You'll be freeing up more space and making extra money. Number 7, become a peer-to-peer lender. Peer-to-peer P2P lending is a type of loan that is made between two individuals without the involvement of a traditional financial institution. P2P lending platforms connect borrowers with investors eager to fund their loans. This type of lending can be a great way to get access to capital, as it typically comes with a lower interest rate than traditional loans. It could also be a good way to earn extra money, as you will receive periodic payments from the borrowers as they repay their loan. If you are considering becoming a P2P lender, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you need to choose a reputable P2P lending platform. There are many different platforms out there, so it's important to do your research and select the ones that has a good reputation and offers competitive interest rates. Second, you will need to assess the risk associated with P2P lending. Although this type of lending typically comes with lower interest rates than traditional loans, there is still an element of risk involved. Before investing, make sure you understand the risk and are comfortable with them. And finally, you'll need to be comfortable with the risk involved in lending money. But if you're willing to take on those challenges, peer-to-peer lending can be a great way to earn some extra money. Number 6, narrate audiobooks. If you love books and have always wanted to find a way to be involved in the publishing industry, becoming an audiobook narrator might be the perfect job for you. Audiobook narration is a growing field, and there is a constant need for new voices. In order to become a narrator, you will need to have a strong command of English language and be able to read with clarity and expression. You will also need to be able to follow directions and take directions well. If you have acting experience, that will certainly come in handy. However, it is not required. The most important thing is that you have a pleasant speaking voice and the ability to bring the text to life. If you think you have what it takes, reach out to some audiobook publishers and see if they have any open auditions. It could be the start of a whole new career. Number 5, invest in the metaverse. The metaverse is a digital universe that people can explore and interact with. It's like an online version of the real world, where people can meet up, socialize, and play games. Investments in the metaverse are becoming more popular as the technology improves, and there are a few reasons why investing in the metaverse makes sense. For one thing, the metaverse is a growing market. More and more people are spending time in virtual worlds, and that trend is only going to continue. As the number of users grow, so does the potential for businesses to make money in the metaverse. Another reason to invest in the metaverse is that it offers a lot of opportunities for innovation. There are still many unexplored possibilities for what businesses can do in virtual worlds. As the technology continues to develop, there will be even more opportunities for businesses to find new and exciting ways to use the metaverse. So if you're thinking about investing in the metaverse, there are definitely some good reasons to do so. With a growing user base and a lot of room for innovation, it's a market that definitely has a lot of potential. Number 4, buy, flip, and sell websites. When it comes to making money online, there are a lot of options available. However, one of the most popular ways to earn an income is by flipping websites. Essentially, this involves buying an existing website, making improvements to it, and then selling it for a profit. While this may sound like a simple task, there are a few things you need to keep in mind if you want to be successful at website flipping. First, it's important to choose the right platform on which to build your website. WordPress is a popular option because it's easy to use and there are a lot of themes and plugins available. Second, you need to choose a niche that you're passionate about. Not only will this make the process more enjoyable, but it will also help you create a better product. Finally, make sure you set realistic goals and timelines. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful website. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming a website flipping pro. Number 3, become an online fitness coach. Becoming an online fitness coach is a great way to help people reach their fitness goals while also earning a living. As a coach, you will be responsible for creating workout plans and providing ongoing support and motivation. You will need to be familiar with a variety of exercises and have a good communication skill. In addition, it is important to be organized and motivated, as well as being able to work independently. If you're interested in becoming an online fitness coach, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, make sure you have the necessary knowledge and skills. Second, create a website or blog where you can showcase your work. And finally, promote your services through social media and other online platforms. By following these simple tips, you could be on your way to becoming a successful online fitness coach. Number 2, sell unused gift cards. Almost everyone has received a gift card at some point, only to find that it's a store they never shop at or for an amount that's just a little too small to be useful. Instead of letting that card go to waste, you can sell it online and get cash that you can use anywhere. There are a few different ways to do this, and the best option for you will depend on the type of card you have and how quickly you need the money. For example, if you have a physical card, you can list it on a marketplace like Gift Card Granny, which will connect you with buyers who are willing to pay less than the full value of the card. Or, if you need cash more quickly, you can sell your card to a gift card exchange like Raise, which will give you less money but will also provide instant payment. Whichever option you choose, selling your unused gift cards is a great way to get rid of clutter and make some extra cash. Number 1, become a YouTuber. Anyone with a camera, laptop, computer, and internet connection can become a YouTuber. However, it takes more than just a few clicks to build a successful channel. To be a successful YouTuber, you need to have interesting content, strong editing skills, and the ability to engage with your audience. You also need to be proactive about promoting your channel and growing your subscriber base. While becoming a YouTuber is relatively easy, building a successful channel takes time, effort, and dedication. However, for those who are willing to put in the work, the rewards can be great. Not only can you build a loyal following of fans, but you can also have the potential to make some serious money. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, we have a free course that'll help you get started now. The course will also show you how to automate the process and exponentially grow your channel. So if you're serious about getting started, click the link in the description and get started now. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making passive income online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.